by great writers like R.K. Narayan in India. So even those novels give completely realistic condition of our country, India. Okay, so there are excellent short stories written by R.K. Narayan. Okay, so it is the actual picture of the world which already existed during that time. जशास तसं म्हणजे खरं तर प्रतिबिंब आहे. ओके, सो म्हणजे वास्तववादी चित्रण म्हणजे काय या काळातल्या साहित्यामध्ये मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये आपणाला या साहित्यिकांनी केलेलं केलेलं दिसायला लागेल, पाहायला मिळेल. सो दिस इज रिअलिझम. The next feature is delight in sensuous beauty. Delight means ananda, and sensuous means which appeals our senses. म्हणजे आपल्या ज्ञानेंद्रियांना म्हणजे खरं तर म्हणजे चाळवणारे म्हणा किंवा अपील करणाऱ्या अशा म्हणजे प्रकारच्या म्हणजे साहित्य कलाकृतींचं लेखन या काळात लोकांनी केलेलं आहे. And they always had that delight in this sensuous beauty. So if you read novels by D.H. Lawrence, the novel Sons and Lovers that is there in this semester only, so there are certain scenes in which you will see that Lawrence is describing something and it has a sensuous beauty. So there is the description of flowers in the novel Sons and Lovers. There is the description of human body in that novel Sons and Lovers. So when you read those details, so those details are such that they try to appeal our senses. Jnanendriya म्हणजे काय? Okay, so we have sensory organs. You may know them. For example, eyes are there, our tongue is there, our skin we have ears, we have nose. All these are sensory organs, and in this way, the 20th century people wrote such literary pieces which sensitize our senses, which try to appeal to our senses. Okay, so there are some beautiful lines in the poem The Westland. So if you read those poems, so you may actually believe that you are actually watching something and it is actually happening in front of you. So something like this is the description in such a poem like Westland. And there are all the novels by D.H. Lawrence. So in those novels, so he appeals to our senses. So try to understand what I mean to say. And even while discussing the novel, D.H. Lawrence's novel, Sons and Lovers, I may even talk about this aspect. So these people always had delight while describing sensual beauty and while even appealing to sensuous beauty. Okay, so this is the fifth feature. And if there is any difficulty while understanding any of these points, then please feel free to mail me. Okay. So most of you have my email ID. Okay. So if you don't have it, I am writing my email ID here. Even in first year, I had given you my email ID. So this is the email ID. So this is DSSURYA@gmail.com. So always feel free to mail me in case of any difficulty. So I'll be able to give you more details about these points. Okay, because this new medium of video records, it is not that much, for example, student and teacher centric. There is a huge gap between teachers and students. It is not face-to-face interaction. It has certain limitations. But we don't have any other option. So we need to cope up with this new platform. So in this lecture, we have dealt with these 5 important points, which are the features of 20th century literary background. So rest of the features from number 6 to from number 12, so these features will be discussed in the next lecture. So thank you till then. Goodbye.